Hi all, today I'm going to show you how to put buttons into your slideshow and hyperlink the buttons so that you can run the show so almost like a little bit of a website. In the second video I'm going to show you how to run it as what we call a kiosk, so people have to either click on the buttons or push escape. Right, so first of all, before we get started, I know some of you had a problem last week with working on the online version. The best thing is actually to not work on the online version. So if you can find this Open in Desktop app and click on it and click Open PowerPoint, you should be able to open it at the bottom here. But I know some of you are using Macs and it might not work like that. So so if you can open it in PowerPoint, please do, and then go and watch the other video. Otherwise, just stay with us here and I'm going to show you how to do it on the online version. Now, it's not the most efficient on the online version because for some reason PowerPoint Online hasn't allowed hyperlinks to shapes, but it's a way of doing it, so I'm just going to show you. Okay, so the first thing we need is obviously we need a button. So there's two ways to put buttons in. You can either go on the home page, this picture here called Shapes, or you can go to Insert and then Shapes. And you can start by choosing the shape of your button. So I would go with either rectangle or rounded rectangle. And then there's my shape there. And obviously I can make it look a bit more like a button. And then I'm going to click on the inside and I'm going to write page for friends. You can call it whatever you want. You can call it student page or pupils page or anything like that. And you can see here is how we can change the color. So if we want to stick with our haze blue, and I like the white. If you want the background to be different, so I might put a black background on. If you want the writing to be bigger, you go here to the home and you can just click on that button, make it nice and big, and you can obviously change the font and size. Alright, so the first one is a page for friends. Our second one, just to show you again, is you go shapes, button, bring it in here. Now PowerPoint also has an amazing thing where they show you exactly. You can see there the boxes are the same size, and if you drag it down a little bit you can see now they're the same height. So again, you can just do those two, click on that and say page for teachers, or page for Mr. Wallace, whatever you want to call it, and then you're going to make it grow again. Alright, so now we have our hyperlinks ready. The other thing I just want to show you is I have got a little button here with a picture of a home, because what I want to do is I want to link this so that when they've read the information they can click on the home button and it will take them back to this yellow screen. So you can just Google you can Google a little picture of a house and you can put it in as your home button. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to click, so I'm going to go into my friend's slide over here. I'm going to right click and I'm going to say link to this slide. Oh, actually, before I carry on, what I would suggest is that at this stage you pause your video, or pause my video, go and add your buttons, and then go back to my video and push play. Right, so hopefully you have your buttons in, with your home buttons as well, ready for action. And then what you're going to do is you're going to right click and you're going to say link to the slide, and then you're going to copy that link. Alright? Very strange way of doing it, but this is how we're going to do it now. Then what you're going to do is you're going to highlight the writing. On the home page you'll see there should be a button, you might have to look for it, called link. Sorry, it does help if I tell you to go to the insert page because we want to insert a link. So you're going to insert and it's nothing along there. Let's click on those three dots and you'll see, aha, there it says link. So we're going to say link. And then all we're going to do is we're going to paste that address for that slide over there and say insert. Alright, now you can see it's hyperlinked. So we do it again. On the purple slide now, right click, link to the slide, copy the address, come over here, highlight, go there, stick on the link, and paste. Because you're using online version, you have to the online version you have to push Control V for paste. Alright. And then you can actually have a look if that works. If I now go and click on that, it takes me to that slide there. Alright, it's not, like I said, it's not the best because it takes you back to this, takes you out of the PowerPoint, but at least we have a hyperlink. Right, we also need to do our home button, so we want to go right click, link to this slide, and you want to say copy, go down there, click on that. You can actually right click and say link, I think. Let's just see if it will let us. Nope, it's been difficult today. So there, we want to go to insert, sorry, insert link. Actually, I've done exactly what I told you not to do. PowerPoint can't link to a picture, PowerPoint online. If you're on the PowerPoint version, it can, but if you're online, it can't. So we're actually going to have to just remove that, and we'll just have to put a little shape in. I don't think there's a picture of a house. You could put something that looks like a house. I'm just going to stick with this rectangle here. So I'm going to write home on there, and move it down the bottom. And again, oh, I don't want orange. That one, and black. And make it right a little bit bigger. Doesn't have to be too big. Oh. And then I'm going to highlight the word home, go to insert, go to links, and I'm going to paste that link that I copied from the home. Right, and that's how you would hyperlink buttons within a PowerPoint. Obviously you want to replace that home. Actually, I think what you can do is you can actually just copy this button and it should come with the hyperlink. If you wanted to save yourself some time, remember, pasting is Control V. Now if I wanted to run it and test it out, I can, oh, don't open there. I can actually click on home. Oh, hold on. I can click on home and it will take me back to my home slide. Right, like I said, it's not perfect because it's ending our slideshow and just opening on the page, but at least we can see that you did try and you now know how to add a hyperlink. If you'd like to see how to do it on the normal PowerPoint version, please watch the other video and let us know how you get on.